Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you a recipe that you need to try this canning season. Pickled bread and butter jalapenos are super simple and they're the kind of thing that people are going to be raving about, and they're super easy to give as gifts, to make a big batch of, and have on the shelf all year long. They're delish and you definitely need to make them. So I'm Jenny and I blog at The Domestic Wildflower, and you can get the recipe that I'm going to share with you right now for bread and butter pickled jalapenos on The Domestic Wildflower, and I'll share the link here. But in the blog post, there's several free printables that you can print off to help you with this canning recipe, but it's super simple. It's basically a mixture of peppers, some white sugar, mustard seed, turmeric, celery seed, ginger, black peppercorns, and vinegar. And there's some really great tips in the post for keeping your jalapenos crisp. Nobody likes a soggy pickle, right? So there's some really good tips in the post for making sure that they stay really crisp and delicious. And the post also shares step-by-step exactly how to preserve them in canning jars so you can enjoy your bread and butter pickles all year long. But I just wanted to hop on real quick and share with you, you need to try this recipe. Check it out at thedomesticwildflower.com. Again, it's called Bread and Butter Pickled Jalapenos.